In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to redirect HTTP to HTTPS in Cloudflare using a proper redirect rule, so every visitor who types in your domain is automatically and securely upgraded to HTTPS. This is essential for security, SEO, and overall trust, and the best part is, it only takes a few minutes to set up. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss the important settings that protect your query strings and preserve your SEO value. And if this video helps you out, be sure to like and subscribe for more step-by-step Cloudflare tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your browser and log in to your Cloudflare dashboard. Once you're inside your account home, you'll see a list of domains connected to your Cloudflare account. From here, click on the domain where you want to force HTTPS. This will open the main overview dashboard for that specific domain. Now, on the left-hand side menu, scroll down and expand the Rules section. Once it expands, click on Overview. This is where Cloudflare allows you to manage different types of rules, including redirect rules. Next, click on Create Rule. You'll see multiple rule options available. From the list, choose Redirect Rule. This is the option we'll use to send all HTTP traffic to HTTPS automatically. Cloudflare provides templates to make this easier. Look for the template called Redirect from HTTP to HTTPS. Once you find it, click on Preview Template. This will load the pre-configured structure of the rule, so you don't have to build it manually from scratch. Now we'll configure the rule properly. At the top, set a clear rule name. You can simply keep it as Redirect from HTTP to HTTPS, so it's easy to recognize later. Under the If Incoming Requests Match section, change the condition to All Incoming Requests. This is very important. While some templates may default to a wildcard pattern, selecting all incoming requests ensures that every single visitor to your domain is covered by this redirect, no matter what page they try to access. Next, move to the Then section. You'll see the target URL field. This is typically pre-filled with a dynamic expression that upgrades the protocol to HTTPS while keeping the rest of the URL intact. This dynamic setup ensures that if someone visits http://yourdomain.com/page, they'll automatically be redirected to https://yourdomain.com/page without breaking the path structure. For the status code, make sure it is set to 301. A 301 redirect signals a permanent move to search engines. This is critical for SEO because it preserves your link equity and ensures search engines index the HTTPS version of your site properly. Now, this next step is extremely important. Scroll down and make sure the Preserve Query String option is enabled or checked. This ensures that any tracking parameters, IDs, or search queries in the URL are not removed during the redirect. For example, if someone visits your site with a URL that includes question marks and tracking codes, those values will still be passed through securely to the HTTPS version. Once you've verified everything, rule name, all incoming requests selected, HTTPS target URL configured, 301 status code set, and Preserve Query String enabled, click the Deploy button. Cloudflare will now push this rule live across its global edge network. Within moments, any HTTP request to your domain will automatically redirect to HTTPS. To test it, open a new browser tab and manually type your domain starting with HTTP instead of HTTPS. Press Enter, and you should instantly see it switch to HTTPS in the address bar. That confirms your redirect is working correctly. And that's it. You've successfully configured an HTTP to HTTPS redirect in Cloudflare the correct way, ensuring full encryption, preserved SEO value, and no broken query strings. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Cloudflare configuration tutorials, hosting guides, and website security walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.